Hi students, today we are going to discuss another important concept in amines chapter, that is amines chemical properties or chemical reactions. And today reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction of amines. So today we are discussing electrophilic substitution, electrophile involving in the reaction which is causing substitution. In that we have bromination, nitration, like that. And today we are discussing about bromination in electrophilic substitution of amines. See, bromination, you learned already chlorination, addition of chlorine. Similarly, bromination nothing but addition of bromine. Here we are taking aromatic amines. Aniline react with bromine water. Bromine water. This is very important. Bromine water only we have to take. Aniline react with bromine water at room temperature. At room temperature. Aniline react with bromine water at room temperature gives respective substituted product which is called as 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. What we are calling 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. The reaction is aniline react with bromine water at room temperature gives 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Tribromoaniline. Look here, I am showing that you take aniline, that is we are calling aminobenzene. Aminobenzene. It react with bromine 3 moles, which we have to take in bromine in water, means bromine water. Then 3 moles of bromine react and you are getting 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, means orthopara product. See here, 2,4,6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, and the byproduct we have to remove 3 moles of HBr, hydrogen bromide, and this is the name we are calling as 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, and this is we are calling aniline, and this is bromine water, and it takes place at room temperature. Very important reaction. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline means, see here, this is ortho and this is para, this is ortho. Here hydrogens are there na. Every corner there is a hydrogen. These 3 hydrogens are replaced by 3 bromines. Total 6 bromines we have, and 3 HBr you are getting, and remaining 3 bromines substituted here orthopara position, means orthopara product you are getting. Why orthopara product only you are getting means, look here, in aniline NH2 group is there na. NH2 group. This NH2 group is orthopara director. Remember, ortho para director means this group insisting upcoming group which is going to be attack on benzene ring, you have to attack at ortho para position. Why? Because at ortho para position electron density is more, and this aniline, that is NH2 group, is powerful ring activating group. Remember, NH2 is powerful ring activating group, means it will activate the ring, means it will donate the electron, and that electron will activate ortho para position. That's why this NH2 group insisting the upcoming group, whatever here we are taking, or attacking group, to attack at ortho para position. That's why aniline, in aniline, NH2 group is ortho para director and moreover powerful ring activating group. That's why you are getting only ortho para substituted compound. So this, see here, 3 substitutions are there. If you want mono substituted product, here 2, 4, 6 is, we have na, only one bromine you need. One bromine you need. That is, we are calling mono substituted product. Mono substituted product. This is a tri-substituted. If you want mono substituted product, and by this method you can't prepare, and you have to do acetylation. You have to do acetylation. Clear? What you have to do? Acetylation along with bromination. So acetylation, nothing but you have to take acetic anhydride in the presence of acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So what I am saying here, this is tri-substituted bromination. If you want only mono substituted product, then what you have to do? Acetylation you have to do. Acetylation, nothing but acetic anhydride you have to take. If you are taking acetic anhydride and you are getting mono substituted product, only one bromine will getting, means desired substitution will be takes place. What takes place? Desired substitution. Desired substitution will be takes place. You are not getting like this tribromo. One bromo only you are getting. And this you have to treat with acetic anhydride and followed by hydrolysis. What you have to do? Followed by hydrolysis. So if you want to prepare mono substituted product, you have to perform acetylation with acetic anhydride followed by hydrolysis. Then you are getting mono substituted product. Look here, I am taking example here. Aniline, nothing but aminobenzene, NH2, and this first you have to treat with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. You know acetic anhydride? CH3CO taken twice O in the presence of pyridine. Pyridine is a base, aromatic base. Then you are getting substitution. Look here, I am explaining in detail. This is aniline. This is aniline. When you are treating with acetic anhydride, see here, CH3 bond C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. This is we are calling acetic anhydride. So here first this hydrogen is going to be substitute. This hydrogen. This is plus. This is plus. And here this bond is going to be break. CH3COO. This bond is going to be break. And this is minus. And this is plus. And this CH3COO will go for this hydrogen. You are eliminating CH3COOH. Remaining this CH3CO group plus is there na? And this is now minus. And this will donate electron to this group. Then you are getting like this product CNH. This CO group, it will donate electron. Then you are getting C double bond O CH3, means amine converted to amide. Amine converted to amide. CO NH group amide na. This is you are getting amide. This is the process. So what you are getting here? Benzene ring. N is hydrogen. One hydrogen substituted with CH3COO group. Then C double bond O CH3 you are getting. C double bond O CH3 by elimination of CH3 COOH, giving rise to, what is the product name? This we have to say means N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide. What we are calling? N-phenyl ethanamide. Then next bromination will be takes place. First we have to acetylation, then bromination. Now one bromine will attack on para position. One bromine will attack at para position. Clear? One bromine will attack at para position. This is NHCO CH3. One bromine will attack at para position. Here one hydrogen is there na? This hydrogen, one bromine removed as HBr, and another bromine will attack at para position. But same why we can't do here means later will say why it will not attack at 3 position, why here only attack. Clear? Later will explain that. So now we got this, and further it is subjected to hydrolysis. Further it is subjected to hydrolysis. Hydrolysis nothing but water. What happened in hydrolysis? See here. And this is the product we got. This is the product, that is intermediate. C double bond O CH3 bromine. And what we have to do? Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis nothing but in water. Look here. This OH minus, this is H plus. And this OH minus will go along with this CH3CO group. Then elimination of CH3COOH. This H plus is there na? And this is minus. This will attack on here. This will attack on here. Then you are getting NH. This group gone. Another hydrogen getting here and here. See now. 4-bromo-aniline. What we are getting? 4-bromo-aniline. Clear? So this is we got now N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide. And another name we have acetanilide also. Remember. Acetanilide. 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 Another name. And when we are doing hydrolysis, again you are removing CH3COOH, and finally you are getting mono-substituted product. And this, the name we are calling as, what is the name we are calling? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is we are calling 4-bromo-aniline. What we are calling? 4-bromo-aniline. Clear? What we are getting? 4-bromoaniline. Here mono substituted. Why can't we do here same process means, look here, I will explain now. Look here, here two groups are there. NH2 group is there, here, and here you come, NHCO CH3 group is there. NHCO CH3 group. Remember, this NH2 group is highly powerful ring activating group. I told already. NH2 group is powerful ring activating group. So all these ardo para positions are activated with electron density. But NHCO CH3 group is there na? This group. NHCO CH3 group is not that much ring activating group. It is not that much ring activating group. Why means, look here, I will show that in detail. In detail. Look here, I am drawing this group. N bond C double bond O CH3. This is I took na? This is NH. NH. And this NHCO CH3 group participate in resonance. And here lone pair is there na? This will come to here and this will go there. Then you are getting N double bond C O minus CH3. Means it is stabilized by resonance. When it is stabilized by the resonance, and it will show less ring activation. Less ring activation. That's why this effect is less than this. Means activating effect of NH2 is more than NHCO CH3 group because resonance stabilization. So NHCO CH3 stabilized by the resonance, and then activating effect of this group is less than NH2 group. That's why it will give only mono substituted product. Remember, activating effect of NHCO CH3 group is less than NH2 due to resonance. Due to resonance. And that's why you are getting mono substituted. 4-bromoaniline. And here what you got? 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So to control the action of this amine, that is NH2 group, to control the activation of NH2 group, what we have to do? We have to do acetylation. And this acetylation nothing but treating with acetic anhydride followed by hydrolysis. So first we have to substitute with acetic anhydride. You are getting N-phenyl acetonamide. Amide you are getting, that is acetonilide. This amide subjected to bromination, and you are getting bromine substituted amide, means amine converted to amide, and this amide subjected to again hydrolysis, you are getting again amine. You are getting amine. This amide group is there na? This amide group is less activating group due to resonance stabilization. This is very important for reactions. Clear? This is electrophilic substitution. And here what is the electrophile means? Here electrophile we are calling as the bromine. Bromine is act as a electrophile. And here we have CH3CO group electrophile. Electrophile. Clear? So electrophilic substitution reaction of amines, we have bromination, nitration likewise, and today we learned about bromination. And first we derived 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. If you want to prepare mono substituted product, you have to subject it to acetylation with acetic anhydride followed by hydrolysis, and this is the process. And here you have to remember that NHCOCH3 group is less activating the ring and than NH2 due to resonance stabilization. And next we'll discuss in another class about nitration, and very important reaction nitration also. And today we discussed about bromination. Clear? If you like this concept, please suggest my channel to others and subscribe. Still anybody not subscribed to my channel, be safe at home. Thank you.